talk about exercises themselves.
Hmm.
You do your exercises. How do you choose them? How do you arrange them, and how do you keep that? Like, do you have any note, or do you have a mental note? How does it go?
Okay, it's mostly mental notes. I change my schedule as well.
Yeah.
Sometimes I mostly try to start with the larger muscle groups for the week. So I usually start with back because that's the largest muscle.
Mm-hmm.
So I that's my usual way of training. Or else I do legs because you start the week with you need a lot of energy to do legs.
Okay.
So you start the week after you've recovered over a week, and you start the week with the toughest muscle. So it's either this or that, and then I just go about the rest of the week planning my other muscle groups, ensuring I have a break between each of it. So say I train back today, I won't train it the very day after. I
Okay.
ensure that within the week I cover all the muscle groups I want to cover. Basically, back, chest, the usual gym routine: back, chest, biceps, legs.
Okay. Got your point. Got your point.
Hmm.
Uh, is there anything in terms of what's called environment wise you want to add? Like, because it's not normally easy for a girl to, be in certain environments. Uh,
Okay, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, so environment wise, I would like to say two things. Now that the gyms are closed, working out at home is a challenge for many of us because we're so used to working out at the gym with so many people around.
hmm.
The vibe you get at gym is definitely very different compared to
That's
that of
true.
you get at home. Yeah.
True.
Also at home you're working out alone, and it's honestly it's very boring and it doesn't give you that motivation you get at gym.
Yeah.
So that's one thing about environment. But if you want to stay fit, if you want to continue your routine, no matter how hard it is, you have to do it at home as well.
Okay.
That's one thing. The only thing you could do is put on some music, or keep looking at your gym videos and photos to keep you motivated, saying, "Okay, I was like this. I should carry on. I should carry on. I shouldn't stop it." So that's one thing you could do. The other point of environment, yes, being a girl, I have faced issues in the gym because you are if you train a little harder than usual, you have 10 people coming over saying, "Hey, don't do this, don't do that. Boys are supposed to do this, not girls."
Hmm.
So again, I would say it comes down to personal choices. Yes, I agree. There are certain workouts which girls aren't supposed to do. You should do your research,
Hmm.
and just avoid the negativity around you. Do what you want to do. And yes, there are men who ego lift around you. Say, "Oh, she's lifting 35. I should also do it. Oh, she's lifting 45. I should also do it."
Hmm.
The only thing you can do is ignore and do what you have to do. And yeah, so I think this attitude comes after it takes some time to learn, but once you join the gym, it for me personally it boosted my confidence, so nothing really bothers me. So
So, like, are you talking about deadlifting 45, or are you talking about just
yeah,
okay?
deadlifts I can do 90 and 90 kgs. So there are men who come up and they disturb your set in the middle. They come and literally disturb you. They are like, "Can we try?" And they literally disturb your flow of workout. So yeah, such things it happens everywhere.
Yeah.
So you just have to ignore it or handle it in the very right way. That's it.
Yeah. I had a small experience actually while deadlifting. Uh,
Hmm.
like 1 week, 1 week I went and I could do 90. The
Hmm.
second week again I tried, I could not move it, and I had to stop at
Hmm.
85.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm. Hmm.
so does that happen often?
Yes, it does. It does happen. Some weeks you can do 90, the other week you can barely do 60. So at such time it happens not just with deadlift, it happens with every workout. Sometimes I'll be able to press 20 kgs in bench press. Sometimes I won't be able to. So you just listen to your body. If your body is not permitting you to do it, don't do it. It's not a problem.
Uh, there's no scientific way to track that. It's just it just happens some days or depends on
It
your
does happen some
schedule.
days. No, it happens. It doesn't. Your body could be fatigued. You could may probably you haven't recovered enough, or sometimes you're just mentally so tired, and you. There are days, right, when you're overworked, and then you just force yourself to get up and go to the gym. And I've actually noticed in that such periods, my capacity or my threshold is very low. The days where I just literally force myself to get up and go to the gym, I can't do what I do. But that's okay. I mean, you got up, you went to the gym. That's all matters.
And does your menstrual cycles and all that come into play as well?
Yeah, like yeah, I don't work out. I mean, they say it's good to work out. Yes, I agree. It is good to work out. It's not a barrier. It's not like you shouldn't work out. But if you're too tired, if you don't feel good, it's okay to take a break. Or if
Yeah.
you're fine, it's okay to go work out.
Okay. That makes sense. Like whoever can take what depends on
Yeah,
their personal. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Anything you want to add from your own side? Like anything you thought you should talk about?
Yeah, so I know people are like ever since this lockdown or work from home or whatever started, I know most of us get up, take a bath, come sit in front of the laptop, and then get up only in the night. We absolutely do nothing.
Yeah.
Being CS engineers, our life is in the laptop and we're always in front of it.
Yeah.
So, especially for people like us, I would say squeeze in at least half an hour, do something. If not, you're going to end up having a frozen shoulder or a stiff back, or in the long run, it's going to harm us. So, it's good to be active, it's good to be healthy, and just half an hour of workout, it's going to give you that adrenaline and that pump, and you're going to feel good the rest of the day. And working out in the evening makes you sleep better in the night. So,
That's true.
yeah, you get tired and you sleep. So it's good.
Because a lot of my friends, I should not be talking because this is her interview, and this is not it. It is supposed to happen, but for YouTube, I'm doing this. A lot of my friends, they used to work out, and they used to have sprays and stuff
Hmm.
because they were pain due to workout. But these
Hmm.
days, they are just having those sprays to just spray on their back because they're sitting
Hmm.
the whole day and they're in pain because of that.
True, true. I myself experience it. The whole day I have my hands on the table like this because I'm typing almost the entire day,
Yeah, and it
and my shoulder.
hurts. It hurts
Yeah, and
here and
yeah,
here, all that.
even the shoulder.
Yeah,
Yeah, my shoulder feels like it's frozen.
yeah,
So it's good to move your body a little, work
yeah,
out a little. Yeah, that way we're also normal days, you evenings you might go on a walk, you might just go out to eat something.
yeah.
So you're walking a little, getting fresh air. But now there's nothing like that. So go to your terrace, get some fresh air, work out a little. Good for your health.
For people like gamers and people who are working whole day, I think, and also chess players,
Hmm.
because they sit for long times. There's a
Hmm.
YouTube channel by a chess master. His name is Vidit Gujarati, and
Okay.
his sister is a physician. So on her
Hmm.
channel, she uploads a lot of video which is applied for computer engineers, chess players, and also gamers. So you could,
Hmm.
because you sit whole day on chair and you're looking at a screen. So there are certain
Hmm.
exercises she tells you.
Hmm.
So people who are watching the stream and everybody else who gets
Hmm.
to see the stream later can check her stream out. I don't remember her name, but I am pretty sure everybody knows about Vidya Gujarati at this point.
Hmm.
Most of the people, he is pretty famous. He is the captain of Indian chess team right now.
Hmm.
Okay,
So
so
one more thing is definitely I think all of us can squeeze in half an hour a day. We end up scrolling through Instagram or Facebook for hours together. So I think
yeah,
definitely all of us could squeeze in half an hour a day. It's not like we won't have time.
yeah,
And half an hour off the screens, like no mobile, no laptop, good for it. Good for us.
that's very very useful advice if you guys want to follow that because uh, it's very pure to be away from everything and just
Mhm.
giving it to just yourself and your mind and your brain, your heart. Just
Yeah. Also relaxes your eyes. I mean, like, I had a really bad eyesight. I recently gotten eye surgery done, and that half an hour or 1 hour without any screen in front of me is definitely required. So I'm sure most of us have power these days. Most of us wear glasses. Most of us have issues with our eye.
true.
So it's good.
That's great. Uh, so do you want to talk about something? Like, do you want to talk about some projects you have done, or do you want to talk about anything else which you're passionate about?
Yeah, so I spoke a lot about gym and weights. Workout doesn't mean only going to the gym or training with weights.
Yeah.
It could be anything. If you like yoga, go with yoga. If you like dancing, go with dancing. Or if you just like skipping, just do it.
Yeah.
But something. Everyone has a passion. So just because I spoke about gymming, it doesn't mean all of us should choose the same path. Do what you like.
Very true. Very true.
That's it.
So everybody, this was Aishwarya Damodharan. You can check her out in the link in the description. That's her Instagram account, and I have mentioned her at the rate Insta account in the thumbnail, so you can check both of them. Go follow her. She is a very nice person, and she is a very hardworking person. I know a bit about her. I don't know much, to be honest, but I know that there were very few hardworking people, and she was one of them. And this is so nice talking to you. This might be actually not, we have not interacted much. This might be the second or third time that we have spoken, and
Yeah.
the first time that we have spoken for so long, and for a good cause, talking about fitness. So thank you so much for coming for in such a short notice, and being a volunteer and coming yourself, uh, because and I would like to invite other people uh, who, like, especially men, because I find that people, guys into fitness, are very shy. So you should take inspiration from the two girls who came today.
Yeah.
And also Ashwarya also likes to do modeling sometimes. So if anybody has any kind of opportunity, you can ask her, you can DM her, and obviously everybody likes to, do something else for a change, and I think she'll enjoy that.
That's there, yeah.
Yeah,
And it was a good opportunity because I've never spoken about my fitness goals or journeys or my training routines to anyone. It's always been me. And
yeah,
it was a good opportunity that I could talk about this.
yeah,
I won't say I have a lot of knowledge, but the little knowledge I have, I could at least tell to people because I know most of them do these mistakes because I've done it. So I hope it was a little informative. And thanks, Rishik. Like you mentioned, we haven't spoken many times, but
yeah.
the few times we have spoken, it's always been good. And yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. So I want you guys to go check out Ashwarya, check out Alankrita, check out Titli Foundation. Also, Ashwarya, you should also check out Titli Foundation. It's an NGO by Alankrita, who I was talking about to you earlier.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
about her NGO is about menstrual cups, which is a,
Okay.
alternative to menstrual pads and other menstrual what's called tampons, and it's a very biodegradable, like, good for environment. So please check it out.
Yeah,
Check
sure.
out Titli Foundation, and also check out their Instagram pages. Support them, follow them, show them some love. And thank you so much. With this,
Thank you.
we'll end the stream. Thank you for the likes, and I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.